Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable suggestions emails in X. If you're looking to discover recommended accounts and expand your X experience, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications, and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Locate and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Now, find the specific email option titled Suggestions for Recommended Accounts. Enable this option to receive emails with suggestions for recommended accounts tailored to your interests and preferences. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled suggestions emails in X, opening up new avenues for discovering exciting accounts and expanding your X experience. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a personalized and engaging journey with X.